the rift.
It's going to be a lot of damage to Ty. He wants it, the ult comes down, but it's not enough. Oh, flashes forward, is the passive going to do what it is? It's AHQ, they're on the fountain, the Nexus is exposed to Ty, all the way in the back of his fountain, but still not safe. It's AHQ, even out the matchup. Knockbacks, but look at all of the AoE action as Balls trying to get something done. Hylocks down the first one, but it's already a double kill. Fnatic looking so much better.
Alright, you gotta keep doing it.
There's the Death Sentence on Lemon Nation, and it's all falling apart. Destiny comes down, Incarnation melting at the hands of AHQ. What a stunning performance from this Garena side.
Reckless goes down, Zatai gets a bunch back, but Hootie, the double, the triple kill, the quadra kill for Hootie. Holy crap.
Gets caught and apprehended backwards. Fade's back to time, but that's it. Incarnation.
Bazonius buys time, and Kitties again is the man engaging the fight. Sneaking last man alive, he's gonna go down.
Invictus Gaming pick up a win.
Holy crap, he's stolen, but the fight continues. Sim sorts him out, Reckless running and running away. And Fnatic take the first seed.
We're going to find out who is going to be the 8th and final team in the quarterfinals.
250 HP, round attack, Tats, and Alba assist.
Holy
Two-man knockup.
Tail and a slicing Maelstrom tags a couple members. Elimination Black shields himself. Holy cow, a big engage. And AHQ will be the final team out of Group B.